So hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition and now I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I'll have meal and then I'll take some rest and then I'll do study. So guys, today I want to prepare at least two questions, and that question is totally theoretical, and also prepare for the and I want to learn that question, because if I'm going to understanding that question, so that's so much hard, and I have just only one option that I want to do study at like as like a ratta. So okay, if possible I'll do lecture and then I'll understand that topic, and otherwise I'll understand just line by line and then I'll learn that topic. So now I'm going to have freshen up and then I'll have it. So that's it. So guys, I just wake up, and when I wake up, it's getting rain, and guys, uh, I dried wheat on the terrace, and suddenly it's raining. Then I hurriedly go and there, and just I came back. Now I'm going to the tuition. So let's go. But I'm waiting for the rain stop rain, and then I'll go to the tuition. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now, first of all, I'm going to complete my overall task. So I want to complete meditation, but before that, I want to upload that videos, because since 2 days I did not upload it, and guys, I was so busy, so that's why I can't make. And also, uh, I can make yesterday. Sorry, in day, but at that time I had some so much busy work, and there were some created some problem. So that's why I want to solve them, and after that I'm getting so much stress, because that problem is so much big. uh, so that's why. And then I got sleep, but when I go for sleep, it then the sorry, I'm I can't sleep proper due to rain. It was rainy, so that's why. And now I'm going to complete my task, and then I'll do meditation, and then I'll do study. So guys, I want to prepare at least three questions, and that question is so much long. And guys, yesterday I did not complete it, and today also I can't complete it. So now in 3 to 4 hours I have to complete. So first of all, I'm going to complete my overall task, then I'll come in, and that regular routine I'll follow, and then I'll do studies. So let's. So guys, some time ago I was doing my regular task, and some of them has completed, but due to call, uh, I can't complete the overall task. So now first of all I am getting some freshen up, because I am getting some sleep. So after that I'll do meditation, and then uh, whatever some remaining work I'll do. And guys, it's too much time, and it's too much getting late for the it for having meal, which I want to at least complete my meal uh, 9 at 9 p.m., but it's not. So okay, now it's 10:15. So in 35 minutes to 45 minutes I want to complete my overall task with having meal, and also complete my regular routine, like after having meal I'll go for the walk, and then after came back from there I'll do study. So guys, I'm not in that mood that I can do study, but I have only one day. In one day I want to complete for overall 3 units, but it's I can't complete all these. So it's my task that I have to complete at least one unit for today. If possible or not, I don't know, but I want to do. So okay, now I am getting some freshen up, and then I'll do meditation. So let's go. So guys, I just did meditation, and after that, I plan for the what question I want to cover. So in this 2 to 4 hours, if possible, I'll do 5 to 6 hours, but still I can't do properly. So okay, if possible, I'll do. Otherwise, I'll learn the two questions and then I'll sleep, because in the morning I want to go tuition, because tomorrow is Sunday, and that's why Sundays classes will be shift on the in the morning, so that's why I want to wake up early in the morning, and also I want to awake in late night. So I will sleep only just 2 to 4 hours, and tomorrow is also I can't sleep properly because tomorrow is final match of IPL, and I'm interested to watch that match. And also one day after there will be a exam also. I don't know how I'll cover, but I'll cover all these things. In tomorrow I'll be get when I get back from tuition, I'll directly sleep, and I'll sleep 2 to 3 hours, and then continuously I'll do study after awake. So now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll take rest, and then I'll start the uh, study. So okay guys, now this was my today's routine, and that's it for today's vlog. Okay, we'll meet another one.